Okay, so I've left off here. I had copied the registry and system files from the Windows Server machine, and I have got them copied into this folder here. So I've just extracted the .dit file and the system file, and I'm going to be using this Python script to extract the hash files into a file called result. So let's see how we go. Okay. So if I just cat this file, it's got my administrator account. It's also got the last account that I created. That's the NTLM hash file. So I'll just copy all of these. Create a new text file called AD results. Okay, so now I'm going to use hashcat to try and extract the hash files. So hashcat attack mode 0 is just a straight attack. Method 1000 is NTLM. Go through here, it shows you all the different types of commands you can use. So the likes of crack Bitcoin, KeyPass, so the one we want is NTLM. And then just point it to my dictionary file. So the file name I've got was AD results. The rocky password, I'm using a rule. And if I just hit this, hopefully it should start cracking some passwords. Okay, so you see here, it's going through all those usernames and passwords. So let's go back in here a sec. This one here, the last account I created, 217E5, and then ends at 61B. 217E5 ends at 61B, and that's the password, as you can see, and that was in the last video that I created. So it shows you that you can crack alphanumeric passwords. And that's like 8 or 9 characters alphanumeric with special character. If I just press S to get the status, gives me, so that's pretty much done in less than a minute. I just got another one, admin 123. But the overall time is 11 hours. So I'm just going to stop the video here. The fan is starting to kick in, which is going to get noisy and start using as much GPU and process, but you get the general idea of how long it takes or how to crack using the methods I've just shown you.